Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show Stop Guessing. Do this to see your Facebook password instantly. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap the menu icon. Tap the Settings icon. Or go to Settings and Privacy, Settings. Tap See More in Account Center. Select Password and Security. Tap Change Password. Choose Facebook. Check when your password was last updated. If you can't remember it, tap Forgot Password. Open your Android phone settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Tap Password Manager. Use the search bar and search for Facebook. Tap Facebook or facebook.com. Verify your identity using fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. View your saved username and password. Method 3. Open the Google Chrome app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Password Manager. Search for Facebook. Tap facebook.com. Verify your identity if prompted. View your saved username and password. Result: you can find your Facebook password through Facebook Account Center, Google Password Manager, Google Chrome Password Manager on Android. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.